Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is J-Lo, also known as J Chanelli on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. I'm coming to you guys today to show you how I get this go-to neutral eye look. I posted this a lot on my Instagram. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at J Chanelli. So if you want to see how to get this eye look, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. We are almost at 6K, and hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Alright, let's get into eye look. I'm going to prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Warm Honey. While we let that sit for a little bit, I will be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette today. This is the original palette. As you can see, mine is well used. Okay, to start off, I'll be using a Morphe Y19 brush, and I'm going into this color right here. I'll put the name of the color on the screen. Okay, now that that transition color is down, we can go ahead and work in that crease. I'm going to go into this color right here, and we're going to take that into our crease. And I will be using a Morphe Y16 brush to do so. With that same Morphe Y16 brush, I'm going to go into the color right here, and I'm going to add a little warmth to the crease. Now I'm going to take this denser brush. This is the Morphe Y15 brush. And I'm going to go into this chocolate brown color, and we are going to deepen up the outer corner. Going back into that Morphe Y16 brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that slightly into the crease. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm basically going to do a half cut crease. Now that we have our glitter primer down, I'm going to go into the color right here, and I'm going to pack that onto my crease. I'm probably going to mix it with this color right here. Okay, to finish it up, we're going back with our dense brush, and we're going back into that deep chocolate shade, and we're going to make sure that this outer corner stays nice and dark. Okay guys, so that is basically the eye look. I'll come back so we can finish the bottom when the rest of my face is basically on. Okay, so the rest of our face is on. Let's go ahead and finish off these eyes. So we're done as far as shadow goes. I'm going to take this ColourPop Super Shock highlighter, and this is in the color Lunch Money. I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes and mascara. I'm using Maybelline the Falsies mascara. I'm also going to apply these lashes. There's some lashes that I picked up recently. They're super like fluffy and wispy, and I think they'll be perfect for this look. But before I do that off camera, I am going to add the final touches to this eye look, and it is our handy dandy gold eyeliner. I like to use this eyeliner because I feel like it makes all of my half cut creases pop, and it just like is a way to clean it up if I didn't cut the crease perfectly. I got this from our local beauty supply store, so that is where you can get yours. This is the final eye look with some lashes, some mascara, the finishing touches. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys, so we can hit 6K. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.